Hello, good morning, friends and my dear colleagues. So again welcome to you in the top 100 Java solution with programming coding questions. So here I will discuss for today for the factorial numbers. So in this today program we discuss how to find factorial of a given number. Means if you I have given number by the user input, then our code will calculate the factorial of that numbers. So first of all, main problem is to understand how factorials work. Means what is factorial? Simply factorial is understanding by you means you take 4 means you want to calculate factorial of 4. So 4 decreases by 1 till 1 means until 1 and multiply all the numbers, then it's get the value of the factorial. Means if you want to want to get value of 4 factorial, so you want to multiply 4 3 2 1 all numbers. When you multiply, then it's equal to value result value is equal to factorial value. So how we can proceed now? So let's continue to see our video for the for getting the clear solution of the factorial program code in Java. If you want to know about or want to learn by pen and paper how factorial works, then you comment it and I will make separate video for you your best education. So you if you comment, then I will make one paper pen video for making understand of factorial of a given number. So first of all we learn we here go to proceed our code. So first here we import scanner function. Why we use scanner function? Because we take one input, one number from the user, and that number should be calculated for the factorial. After that we make one class. You can anything, any name of the class. We already discussed in the previous all videos. You can take any name of the class. Means what is your code works, you can take the name of the class. So here we take the class name factorial. After that we open the bracket and we start our main code from the public static void main string arguments, and inside this our code should be started to execute. So inside this we put the materials of the code, which is the main things which are to be executed and requirement during the code. So here we take three variables: nc fact. We already given the value of fact is equal to 1. Why 1? We discussed in the forward uh, times. And so please let's see, we take 2 n and say c is for the loop variable. Means how means when you going to execute any program, if their iteration come means 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 anything iteration will come, then you first remember there should be must be loop required. So you can take any variable for the loop, c or I or n anything. So here it take three variable. After that we take one input, send one message for the user: please enter an integer to calculate its factorial. Means please enter one integer from the user. After that we use scanner function, which are we imported in the above first line. After that we store this into n and check it. If number is input by user, we firstly check it if number is less than 0 or not, because we always calculate the factorial of the positive number. So here we check if number is negative, so we put one comment: number should not be negative. Okay. After that in else condition we proceed our factorial process. So if number is not 0, if number is 2, if number is 4, if number is 5, so we make one loop for 5 to 1 in decreasing order. So here or you decreasing or increasing order, anything you can do, because all number, when we get all number you can multiply of all number, then we can get the output. So here we take fact equal to fact into 1, here we store fact equal to 1. So our loop is also going from 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 1 into 5. What you can take in the number that our loop should be run. So here we print one number, one comment for the factorial, because here fact is equal to fact into c. So here already multiplied number are stored in the fact. So we directly print the fact, and we get already actual value what we want. After that, we close the loop. Our program should be completed, and we run our code. Let's see the output, how it's work. We click on the hit run button, and here it's one commands on enter an integer to calculate its factorial. So here it asks for the integer number for the factorial find. So here mainly we enter 4. So it find the factorial of 4. Please first you calculate the factorial of 4 in your mind. How? Means 4, means 1 to 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, what value it give? Means 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24. Okay, means its value if we press enter is equal to 4 factorial is 24. So here you all guys see that our factorial code will be run properly. If you want to take any other numbers, means I want to take some complex number, so you can take anything like 6u, means 2 digit more. So when we print enter, then factorial of 6 is 720. So by this way our factorial code should be run. If you want to learn more or want to see main depth in the factorial or how its program executed in the pen paper copy methods and all, any query or any problem you are facing, then comment it. I will solve, and I will show you every step pen by pen and paper. If you also want to learn this in live session, we also make one video. When one times we also come on the online session and you see the video. So thank you for seeing this video. And one demerits of this code is also, I will say that in last, this code is only for a small integer. If you want to take factorial of big integer, big value, so I will make separate video for that. Please subscribe it for the upcoming video, and you can watch this properly. Thank you, friends.